how to close your TD bank account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply transfer all of your remaining balance to another institution and keep a small buffer if you expect a final fee, right? So in there, in order to transfer it, what you should do is simply get into your TD bank application just like this. Then from here, simply tap on pay and transfer. Obviously make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on pay and transfer. Then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to transfer all of your funds to another bank, right? So after doing that here, like I said, like keep a small buffer if you are like expecting any sort of final fees from TD Bank. So after doing that, change any direct deposits for automatic payments linked to your routing or account number. Then after doing that here, visit a local branch of TD Bank, or you can even call them, or you can simply log into your banking app just like this. Then from there, what we're gonna do is simply tap on menu bar right here, right? So if you have visited your local branch or if you have called them, then you should tell them that you want to close your account. Then they'll be easily doing that, right? But if you're going through your own bank application, then simply tap on menu. Then from there, you can tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Then from there, you will actually be able to get into your profile settings. Scroll all the way down, then you'll be able to see the option of request account closure. Simply tap on that option, and then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to do all of it. You need to provide all of your informations. If the bank requires, then you'll be able to simply close your TD Bank account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.